From the first day we built Pinto, we measured it in our minds against the toughest competitor in the world, ourselves. We decided to invent the basic little economy car all over again. The car that would run and run and run and get lots of miles to the gallon and hardly ever see a repair shop. A car that would cost very little and would feel good on the road. The Ford Pinto was built 40 years after the Ford Model A, but we think it's got the same kind of toughness, dependability, and value, because deep down, it's the same basic idea. And when you get back to basics, you get back to Ford. Pinto, 2-door sedan or 3-door runabout at your Ford dealers.